Forex Daily Update, July 30, 2025. Hey guys, so today was a light trading day for me. Medyo nahilo tayo. On top of that, may tsunami warning dito. So medyo stressful din ang atmosphere. So daily profit is positive 2%. Monthly total gain and loss natin is negative 17.37%. So, market overview, USD JPY pair. Market news, 9:50, 9:30, 10:45, meron tayong mga red folders. The market is currently in consolidation mode. Parang undecided pa talaga kung saan siya pupunta. Walang clear direction for now. Yung resistance level natin around 148.444 untouched. Support level natin is 147.089. Price movement today is 74 pips. So, trading notes natin, I was testing a scalping strategy today. So far, it seems to work. But honestly, nahilot na talaga ako. So, I need to stop. So, reminder lang, always trade when you're in good condition physically and mentally. Pag hindi tayo okay, mas mataas ang chance ng mistakes and losses. That's it for today's update. Stay safe and trade smart. Everyone, don't forget to like, follow, and share kung helpful ito. Joke lang. Bye-bye.